Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to bass boost songs in Spotify. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Spotify app. Tap the settings icon at the upper right corner. Go to audio quality. Tap equalizer from the option. Use the equalizer to adjust the levels of bass and treble in music and podcasts. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.